Happy Thursday, everybody. It's JC with Empire Algorithmic Trading. Time for a little VWAP Vision Stock Talk. It's where the volume-weighted average price helps us make sense of this crazy market. So let's get right to it. It's time for a little stock talk. All right, happy Thursday, everybody. It's just JC, so let's just jump right to it and take a look. Pretty quiet session overall on the indexes. The S&P 500 stayed a pretty tight range. It was down 0.4%. Nasdaq Composite down a little over 0.3%. Similar thing, just kind of a little spinner day. Small caps did manage a rally, kind of open near the low, 20-day moving average, and rallied up, closed up about 0.25%. And then mid caps opened up near its low and rallied up, closed near its high, even though it managed to close down a little over 0.1%. Bonds did rally off. Bonds did rally down, or did sell off just a little bit, excuse me. And then VIX spiked up probably ahead of tomorrow's speech by Jerome Powell. So very interesting session going on there, and a whole lot of nothing. But the look of the leaders was a little bit different. We did have continuing troubles from breakouts. HSAI, which was holding up quite well, collapsed a solid 11% today, giving up its nice potential gain. And then Spotify just reconfirmed its round trip sell signal, stopped me out yesterday. So pretty ugly look there from Spotify as well. Gave up its nice 5% rally. But on the flip side, we're having attack of the fails. BBNX rallied up 10.3%. Just another highlight of the volatility that we're seeing in breakout stocks. Tiger, again, after failing the first day and following through the second day, it rallied up 6.6%, overtaking its original buy price. Very frustrating to see that. Tempest AI, which shook me out yesterday, my break-even price, didn't really break down. It rallied up intraday. That momentum carried through, and today it rallied up 4.6%. And then FTAI, which looked like it was going to flash a sell signal, actually did flash a sell signal yesterday. It rallied up 4%. So we're going from good stocks that were stocks that were looking good ended up failing, and stocks that were failing ended up rallying up. So it's just a frustrating market to be a part of, even when the session is relatively quiet overall. Underneath, there's some wild action going on. So as always, whenever it gets crazy like that, it's best to just not even participate. Does nothing but raise your frustration levels, and you probably end up losing a little bit more money than you should. So we're just still respecting the red zone, waiting for buyers to come back, get a clear trend above that VWAP. In the meantime, just stay patient, be calm, happy trading, and let's see what tomorrow brings with Jerome Powell. All right, thank you, everybody. Have a nice day. Good night.